Hello everyone, Leigh from Martinuzzi Property Group with another weekly real estate market update. Hope you're having a great week. Hoping this weather isn't dampening your spirits too much. I can tell you one thing, it's certainly not dampening the buyer activity we're experiencing right now. We've seen in the last couple of weeks a little bit of a buyer frenzy happening again here in our beautiful hinterland location with a lot of buyer inquiries coming through for the properties that we have listed. Now, over the December-January period, we certainly saw a slight decline in buyer activity, but that's typical for that time of the year. Whilst there were still really good inquiries coming through, we've noticed a definite spike in the amount of interest in the properties that we're listing right now. And this is also true for that which is reported by realestate.com.au, one of the leading platforms for property advertising. We've seen a clear increase in buyer searches for properties in the Queensland property markets over the last couple of weeks. A couple of case studies for you of properties we've recently listed here. One which we just listed 2 weeks ago has to date had 131 buyer inquiries come through. Another one listed at about the same time has had 82 buyer inquiries. Another one we just listed probably 2 days ago, 120 buyer inquiries in just 2 days. And another one listed about the same time has 26 buyer inquiries. So a lot of buyer demand there, guys. We actually had several buyers that we were working with at the moment, and property we were just about to list here in Palmwoods, 5 of them which came through for an inspection just before we listed it. 4 offers from those 5 people that inspected, very good offers. One which sealed the deal for the owners there. And just as it launched, it went under contract at the same time. So guys, that's happening more and more right now. There are a lot of buyers looking for properties out there. However, we are seeing a slight slowing trend in our southern markets. Now, being that 60% of most property sales in Australia occur in Sydney and Melbourne, you would expect a slowdown there to eventually have an impact in other markets like us here on the Sunshine Coast. So last week, Melbourne saw a 0% price gain in property values, whereas Sydney actually declined by 0.2%. In Brisbane, we've seen further gains here, another week of about 0.5% gain in the local market of Brisbane. So we are seeing prices still climb here in our Queensland area and certainly here on the Sunshine Coast. And we'll predict that this month of February, we'll probably see another 2 to 3% growth of property values in our local area here, which is quite phenomenal. However, that may slow down as the RBA starts to talk about a potential interest rate rise later this year. But right now, certainly a lot of buyer activity out there. The rain's not putting people away too much. We had an open home last night with all this wet weather, and 11 groups still came through for an inspection. So interesting market right now, guys. I've written a couple of blog articles this week. If you're interested in real estate and property right now, check it out at martinuzzi.com. I'll stick the links in the show notes below. If there's anything we can help you with, give us a call. MPG with you all the way. Talk soon.